If you're looking to import sportswear, China is the obvious choice. They make about 60% of the world's activewear. But getting it right takes more than just finding a supplier online. We've helped hundreds of businesses, and today we'll share 5 specific tips to save you time and money. First, location matters. Don't just search for China's sportswear supplier. Focus on the hubs. Fujian province, especially Xinjiang, is famous for shoes and apparel. Guangdong, around Guangzhou, is huge for technical fabrics. Starting your search here means you're talking to factories with real experience in your product. Tip 2. Verify everything. A fancy website doesn't mean a reliable factory. We always check 3 things: their official business license, proof of export history for the last 2 years, and any relevant certifications, like OEKOTX for fabrics. This step alone can prevent most sourcing disasters. Never skip proper sampling. For sportswear, you need to test the fabric yourself. Request a swatch card with all material options. Then, test for stretch recovery, moisture wicking, and color fastness after washing. A $50 lab test now can save you from a $10,000 batch of faulty leggings later. Understand MOQs and pricing. A basic polyester tee might have a 500-piece minimum. But if you want custom moisture wicking fabric with printed panels, the MOQ could jump to 2,000 pieces. Always ask for a breakdown, fabric cost, manufacturing cost, and any fees for labels or packaging. There should be no surprises. Plan for inspections, don't just hope for the best. We schedule 2 checks. One during production, to catch issues like wrong stitching early. A final random inspection before shipment checks for defects, sizing, and packaging. This typically costs about $300 but protects your entire order. The biggest pitfalls we see? Unclear specifications, no formal contract, and skipping quality control to save a few dollars. For example, breathable fabric is vague. You need to specify the exact grammage and composition. A clear contract protects you if things go wrong. This is where our team comes in. We act as your local experts in China. We find and verify suppliers, negotiate prices, manage quality inspections, and handle all the logistics. You get one point of contact, so you can focus on your business, not the complexities of importing.